So you want to set up the lighting for your YouTube setup, like kind of like what I have right now. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to show you what my lighting situation is, and then I'm going to show you how you can actually simulate that in Blender.
Okay. So there's me, there's my Canon camera. You can see I'm using OBS to do the recording. And then we can see my window. So my window is my fill light, and then the key light is this light up there. So I have just a nice big light up there, and then I have my window, and then that provides me the lighting that I need. Otherwise, I would have to do like a custom lighting setup, which is a lot of work, but this works pretty well. So that is my personal lighting setup for my studio.
I'm not going to spend a lot of time, but I'm just going to show you very quickly how we can set this up to be, like a your lighting setup. So I'm just going to delete this cube, delete that light, Shift A, mesh plane, S, Shift A. Let's do a cube, G, Shift. No, let's do Z. Just do Z, S, Y, X. Okay, here's the camera. It's R, L, G, G, Z, R, X, G. This camera's kind of facing that way. Shift A. Let's add a monkey mesh, monkey, G, S. It kind of looks like head shape. Yeah, okay. That looks good. G this way, G. So it looks like that's a bit too much. Looks good. Shift A, mesh plane, RX 90, GZ, GY, S. So that's the kerning. So we can kind of see very quickly just the basis setup, right? I have the desk here, I have the head here. This is the curtain. That's exactly what we need. The world, I'm just going to change this to 0. So if we go into render, we're not going to see any lighting. So we're going to do Shift A, and we want to add a area light. Let's do light, area, G. Oops, G. I'm going to rotate it. And this essentially, what area is really good at is like a window. So let's just, that's wrong. Let's do this. Let's do strength. There we go. Okay, so that looks pretty good. But the thing is, because this is like outside, it's kind of like a bluish tint, something like that. If I do Shift D, G, rotate, Alt R, you know what? Here, this is actually what I have. G, and then this is actually a pure white. The camera. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And this is actually what I kind of have set up. Even the shadowing, right? It's very similar to what I actually have. Now, so I have the light up top. I have the essentially the window. Now, if I position the window a little bit, oops. Here's the window. If I rotate it, right, it's essentially the same location. So that's just kind of where the window is. Now, I could add other lights. Let's do a point light, G. Just increase the brightness of this. So this is a 100-watt bulb. And that's why we're using this instead of the sun, because this is actually in watts. So you can actually get like a 100-watt LED, and it would be very similar to this, actually. So we can kind of see how it looks a bit different if we do a bit red there, Shift D, go here, maybe turn this one to, let's say, blue, right? So very quickly, we can do some very interesting lighting. But what's really nice about this, let's just delete this. Change this to a, let's do new. Let's do just a diffuse, change it to black, camera view. Yeah, that's my lighting setup. It actually shadow wise and also lighting wise, that's what it kind of looks like. So that's how we can very quickly just add lights and set it up. And when I was actually making my lighting setup, I kind of like my little YouTube studio, this is what I did. I actually simulated the lights in here. Now, of course, when I was doing it for myself, I actually was a bit more accurate. For example, like the desk, if I go into edit mode, go here, there's edge length. I actually made it up to spec, but just for the sake of the tutorial of not, dragging this out, I'm just doing this very quick one of like, rough estimation instead of like exact results. But yeah, so that's how we can use Blender to simulate your lighting setup. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.